Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. There are two clips securing the housing, though this model that we were working on only had one. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. Once raised, you can pry the base out and remove the clip. Lift the cowling and remove the weather shield. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1001 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Reinstall the pins to secure the cowling. Reinstall the weather strip. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.